Now we are going to look at COUNTBLANK function. COUNTBLANK function helps to identify the blank cell in the selected range. So in this report, I have various columns. Under sales column, I have few blanks cells. To get the total number of count of blank cells, so I'll say count blank and then select the range. Enter. So now I got 4. So let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 blank cells. So in case if I have space in any blank cell, so let me enter a space. See, the number came down because it will not consider even if it is a space. So only if the cell is pure blank, then it will take it for the count. So now we have only a few rows, but in real time, so you will have more number of rows. So that time the function will be very useful. So to get a blank row out of 10,000 line or 50,000 lines, this function will be very much useful. Let's move on to next function.